In this video, you'll learn how to change your name on Bitget. By following these steps, you will successfully update your display name on the platform to reflect your preferences. Start by navigating to Bitget website. You should see the home page with various options related to cryptocurrency trading. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Beyond Crypto on the homepage. This section may contain various features and services offered by Bitget, which you will need to access your profile settings. After that, find the profile icon, usually situated in the upper corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will direct you to your personal account settings, where you can manage your profile details. Once you're on your profile page, click on the Settings option. This will take you to a menu where you can adjust various preferences related to your account. Following this, select Dashboard from the Settings menu. Here, you will see an overview of your account, including your trading activities and personal details. Now click on My Profile within the dashboard. This section contains all the personal information associated with your account, including your current display name. Next, locate the display name option and click on it. This will allow you to see your current display name and provide options for editing it. After that, click on the Change button next to your display name. This action will enable you to modify your existing name to something new. You will then be prompted to click on Edit Display Name. This step is crucial as it opens the field where you can enter your new desired display name. At this point, you will see a message stating that your display name will be visible to other users and will appear in various sections like your profile and trading insights. This information is important as it informs you of the visibility of the name you choose. Next, you will encounter a note indicating that the display name can be a maximum of 20 characters and can only be changed once a week. It is advisable to choose your new name thoughtfully to avoid needing to change it frequently. You will also see guidelines stating that display names may include letters, numbers, and certain special characters. Familiarizing yourself with these rules will help ensure your new name meets the criteria. Now, type in your new username in the designated field. Make sure it adheres to the character limits and guidelines provided. Finally, click on the Confirm button to complete the name change process. This action will save your new display name, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your update was successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.